In this tutorial I will show you how to hide your following list on TikTok. If you're looking to keep your following list private on TikTok, follow these easy steps. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, go to your profile by tapping the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the menu. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the list of options. From there, tap on Privacy to open your privacy settings. Scroll down a bit until you find the following list option. Tap on it to adjust who can see who you're following. Currently, it may be set to followers, meaning anyone who follows you can see your following list. If you want to keep it private, simply change it from followers to only me. By selecting this option, only you will be able to view your following list. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your following list on TikTok.